Hi everyone. Today we are at the Jianguo Holiday Flower Market in Taipei. Every year, the flower market opens for 5 extra days before Chinese New Year. And this year they are hosting the Creative Landscape Bonsai Expo. This expo gives us bonsai lovers a chance to see some of the best penjing in Taiwan, made by bonsai teachers and their students. Let's take a look. Take a look at how the deadwood technique is used here on this juniper. Look closely at their penjing design. See how they use different trees and rocks to make it more interesting. They have also used shrub-type trees to accompany the main tree. Isn't it wonderful? This black pine penjing is made by Mr. Zhang. They are planted with Azalea Satsuki tree and flowering quince. Let's have a look over here. Check out this boxwood made by Mr. Zhong. He used a Japanese rock to accompany this tree. Here is another black pine made by Mr. Lee using the crump bonsai style. We use layers of moss to keep the soil wet and make the display look older. And over here, we have a display of rocks. These rocks will not cut in any way, all natural. We like to use rocks to accompany the bonsai, but also as a decoration. Over here is a Royal Lee cherry tree without any leaves. It represents the winter season. Look at this small one with the trees and rocks. Kind of like capturing nature into this one tiny art piece. And look, this one was made by Professor Amy Liang. She used a plate as a background and planted the trees on it, like they are floating in the sky. She used the mini orange and juniper. This piece is also using mini orange. Look how it has an interesting part shape, kind of like a bridge. Made by Miss Jenny Zhang, president of Taipei Bonsai Society. She bent it down like how it would be in nature. Over here are the ceramic art. Each of those parts look like wood, but they are made from clay, and the trees are growing out of it. It takes a very long time to make one single pot, because they have to carve and mimic the texture of wood. Whether it's bonsai or rocks or ceramic art, it's all for fun. We teach students no matter what you want to do. Just have fun with it. Make it for fun so you enjoy doing it. This piece here is my design. I used the dead juniper trunk as sherry and combine it with live juniper trees. Look like the tree is on a cliff. I use rocks to stop the soil from falling off and planted it in this broken pot. Chinese New Year is all about family and new beginnings. So I hope everyone will have a good year. Have fun watching the rest of these trees, and Happy Chinese New Year.